Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Cinnado B6 2K 3 megapixel camera. This is a brand new camera, just came out. Just a little disclaimer, Cinnado did send this camera completely free with the only caveat that I give my honest review on how it works and how the installation process is. So starting off, we're going to go ahead and start with the unboxing. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this off right here. You guys are going to see what comes inside the box firsthand, just like myself. So here it is at the top. We have two template stickers. These are very common here for the Cinnado Wands View and the Galileo. They come with these templates, very handy. Here's the other template. This one is going to be for the actual camera itself. The other one is going to be for the solar panel. Quick installation guide here of the B6. And now what I can see is the panel right here. The first one on top, this is the panel. And there's a cable here on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and take this out. Alright, so this is the panel. The panel has like this honeycomb style. There we go, that's what the panel looks like. It is USB-C. This is what it looks like in the back. We're going to continue to unbox. So we have hardware here. This would be hardware for installation purposes, and some more hardware here for more installations. All right, we have a USB connector here. We're about to find out what this is going to be. All right, we have this this stand. This is very similar to the R2 from Galileo. Had a very similar stand to this, but I'm guessing this stand is going to be for the solar panel. There you have it. And I think without further ado, there's nothing else in here other than this little QC. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and remove this. Alright, this is the Cinnado B6. Alright. There we have it. That's what it looks like. This one, it's a lot heavier than the W7 that I did for Wands View. And see the three little holes here, lets you know that's where the template goes, so we can install it there. I did a similar installation with the W7 from Wands View, very similar to this. These are the antennas, so antennas will go up and the camera would face this way, like so. And the solar panel will go connected here. The solar panel would be the main power source for this camera. All right, everybody, and that's the Cinnado B6 2K 3 megapixel camera. This is everything you're going to receive. Everything you're going to receive in the box, ready for installation. This would go connected onto this, and this would go mounted on top where it would get plenty of sun, and then this would go obviously connected anywhere you want to put it, and it's fed via USB-C. So there you guys have it. That's everything that comes in the box. I am going to do an installation video after this, so stay tuned on my storefront for that.